Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Crazy Gold TV, and today we will be discussing extensively on database. A database is a collection of organized data that is stored in a way that allows for efficient retrieval and manipulation. Databases are designed to store, manage, and provide access to large amounts of data, making them a crucial component of modern computing systems. Types of databases. 1. Relational databases. Relational databases organize data into tables with well-defined relationships between them. Each table has rows and columns, where each row represents a single record and each column represents a field or attribute of that record. Relational databases use SQL, which stands for Structured Query Language, to manage and manipulate data. 2. Number Structural Query Language databases. NoSQL databases do not use the traditional table-based relational model. Instead, they use a variety of data models such as key value, document, or graph. NoSQL databases are designed to handle large amounts of unstructured or semi-structured data and provide flexible schema design. 3. Object-oriented databases. Object-oriented databases store data in the form of objects, which are instances of classes that represent real-world entities. Object-oriented databases provide a more natural and intuitive way of representing complex data relationships. 4. Time series databases. Time series databases are optimized for storing and retrieving large amounts of time-stamped data. They provide efficient storage and querying of data with temporal relationship. Database components. The database components include 1. Data. Data refers to the actual information stored in the databases. A data is an unprocessed information. This can include number, text, images, and other types of data. 2. Schema. A schema refers to the structure or organization of the data in the database. This includes the definition of tables, fields, relationships, and other database structures. 3. Database Management System (DBMS). A DBMS is the software that manages the database and provides access to the data. The DBMS provides an interface for users to interact with the database, manage data, store and retrieval, and enforces data security and integration. 4. Database users. Database users are the individual or applications that interact with the database. This can include developers, administrators, analysts, and other stakeholders who need to access or manipulate data in the database. Database characteristics. 1. Data independence. Data independence refers to the ability to modify the database schema without affecting the applications that use the database. This means that changes to the database structure do not require changes to the application code. 2. Data integrity. Data integrity refers to the accuracy and consistency of the data in the database. This includes ensuring that data is valid, consistent, and up to date. 3. Data security. Data security refers to the protection of the data in the database from unauthorized access or malicious attack. This includes implementing access control, encryption, and other security measures such as using of password. 4. Data recovery. Data recovery refers to restoring the database to a consistent state in the event of a failure or data loss. This includes implementing backups and recovery procedure. Database design. 1. Entity relationship modeling. An entity relationship modeling is a technique used to design the database schema by identifying entities, attributes, and relationships. This involves defining the entities that will be stored in the database, their attributes, and the relationships between them. 2. Normalization. Normalization is a process used to organize the data in the database to minimize data redundancy and improve data integrity. This involves dividing large tables into smaller tables and defining relationships between them. 3. Denormalization. Denormalization is a process used to optimize the database schema for performance by intentionally introducing data redundancy. This involves combining tables or duplicating data to improve query performance. Database operations. 1. Create. The create operation involves creating a new database or database object such as a table or index. 2. Read. The read operation involves retrieving data from the database. 3. Update. The update operation involves modifying existing data in the database. 4. Delete. The delete operation involves deleting data from the database. Some examples of database languages include 1. SQL, structured query language. The structured query language is a standard language used to interact with relational databases. It provides a set of commands for creating, modifying, and querying database structures and data. 2. Number SQL query language. The NoSQL query language are a variety of language used to interact with NoSQL databases. This language provides a way to query and manipulate data in NoSQL databases. Data models. 1. Relational models. The relational model is a model that organizes data into tables with well-defined relationship between them. 2. Object relational model. The object relational model is a model that combines the relational model with object-oriented principle. 3. Document-oriented model. The document-oriented model is a model that stores data in self-describing documents such as JSON or XML. Database architecture. 1. Centralized architecture. A centralized architecture involves a single database server managing all data and providing access to clients. 2. Distributed architecture. A distributed architecture involves multiple database servers working together to manage data and provide access to clients. 3. Cloud architecture. A cloud architecture involves a cloud-based infrastructure providing scalable and on-demand access to database resources. Database security. 1. Database authentication. Authentication refers to the process of verifying the identity of users and applications before allowing access to the database. This can be achieved through various methods such as username and password, biometric authentication, or smart card. 2. Authorization. Authorization refers to the process of controlling access to database resources based on user role and permission. This ensures that users can only access and manipulate data that are authorized. 3. Encryption. Encryption refers to the process of protecting data in transit and at rest using encryption algorithm. 4. Backup and recovery. Backup and recovery refers to the process of creating and storing copies of database and restoring the database to a consistent state in the event of a failure or data loss. Okay guys, today we'll be stopping here. Please, if you find this video interesting, please smash the subscription button, like, subscribe and share this video to see more interesting video like this on my YouTube channel, Prissy Gold TV. Bye for now.